Hi guys, welcome back to Savoirrenee, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the Fam Bam. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this deliciously vibrant cold and flu immune boosting tea. And for this recipe you are going to need turmeric, Ceylon, cinnamon, mint leaf, ginger, lemon and lime, orange, raw organic honey, and also Manuka honey. So now I'm just going to go ahead and peel my orange. Eating orange peels also provides tremendous health benefits. It's packed with vitamin A and C, enzymes, fibers, and pectin. Vitamin C is fantastic for immune system boosting that helps fight cold and flu symptoms. Lemon adds an extra boost of vitamin C, whilst mint contains menthol, a natural aromatic decongestant that helps break up phlegm and mucus, making it easier to expel. Ginger helps you sweat out the toxins in your body, which is super helpful when you have cold or flu. Ginger is also super helpful for settling upset stomachs, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, and also cold sweats. All these ingredients together, guys, trust me, it will kick any cold's ass hands down. Now that all our herbs are prepped, let's get right into the tea making. For this, you're going to need 1 liter of water. You're going to need to bring that to a boil. And now for the fun part, we're going to add in all our ingredients. So I went in with my sliced oranges, ginger, cinnamon stick, and turmeric. Turmeric is loaded with an active compound referred to as curcumin. It helps in dissolving mucus. It also relieves chest congestion, and its healing properties kills bacteria and treats cough and cold. Turmeric is a super herb, especially in its rawest state. Once all my ingredients are in, I'm going to give that a good mix, and I'm going to leave this to boil on the lowest heat for about 4 minutes. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add in my lemon. I add in my lemon and my honey last because I don't want to end up killing all the nutrients and vitamins you get from this. So once I'm done with the lemon, I'm just going to give that a good mix, and then I'm going to be transferring this to a bowl, and I'm going to strain out the tea. The smell in my kitchen at this point, guys, was absolutely divine. Just look at how gorgeous and rich this tea looks. Now you're going to go in with what I like to call the powerhouse and the binding factor to this tea, which is the honey. So I'm using 2 honeys here. I'm using regular organic honey, and I'm also going to be going in with Manuka honey. Manuka honey's antibacterial properties are what sets it apart from traditional honey. This honey has antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant benefits. In fact, it has been traditionally used for wound healing, soothing sore throat, preventing tooth decay, and improving digestive issues altogether. This is pretty much the finished product, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.